How to book flight on trip.com app. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can book flight on trip.com app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on trip.com, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is trip.com, it is a prominent multinational travel service provider headquartered in Singapore, recognized as one of the largest online travel agencies, in which this application or platform offers a comprehensive range of booking services including flights, hotels, trains, car rentals, airport transfers, and attraction tickets, boasting over 1.2 million hotel listings across 200 countries and regions, as well as more than 2 million flights routes connecting over 5,000 cities. So now, to start installing this application, just go to your Play Store and kindly click this install button in here. Or you could also install this on your Apple Store. And upon opening this application, we'll automatically be directed on this page, in which it will show us below some of the options such as Home, Messages, My Trips, and Sign In. Now under the Sign In, from here, all you need to do is to click the Sign In or Register to create your account, in which you can use your Google, Facebook, and even email address. And after that, you can now simply go back on this page right here. And from here, to start booking flights, just click this flights option, and you will be directed on this page, in which all you need to do from here is to simply select what kind of flights do you want. We have here one-way flights, return, and multi-city. But I'm going to choose this return flights. And below, all you need to do is to simply click this date in order to select your departure date. So let's say I'm going to click August 2, while for the return date, I'm going to choose August 9. And after that, from here, just choose where you came from. I'm going to select here Manila City, in which it will show us different kind of airport, and also to or your destination in here. We have here Asia, India, Thailand, UAE, and many more. But in those options, I'm going to choose Bangkok. And from here, you could also add the passenger by clicking this one. And from here, you can simply add the number of adults, including the number of children, and also even infants. And after that, as you can see below here, you also have the option to book a flight or hotel by checking these boxes and click the search button to proceed. And upon clicking on it, we'll automatically be directed on this page, in which it will show us that we could also change some of the details, including our flight. By clicking this change flight, it will show in here different kind of options such as depart to Bangkok and different kind of prices on the right side panel, in which you can choose here depending on your preferences, such as to sort by the duration, earliest, latest, and even arrival latest. Well, for the ticket, you could also filter it to the cheapest to choose from. Then it will show in here a variety of options that you can choose from. So let's say I'm going to click this one, the first one, and click the continue button below to proceed. But if you're also not satisfied, you could also click the filter option right here and choose different kind of airlines depending on your preferences, and even the times or local time in here. Now for instance, I'm going to choose this one and click the continue button for this departure ticket. And now the next thing that we need to do is to simply select a return ticket. And as you can see in here, we're using a cheapest filter, in which it will show us in here all of the cheapest flight tickets. And after choosing your departure and return flight ticket, you could also click this show details in order to show all of the details on each ticket. And aside from that, below here, you could also avail some of their essentials and value that offer. And it will show in here below the corresponding prices and the list of benefits it included. So for instance, in those options such as value and essentials, I'm going to choose the essentials offer. By clicking the select button, we'll automatically be directed on this page. Then below, the next thing that you need to do is simply book your hotel. It will show in here some of the recommended hotel. So from here, you can simply choose different kind of hotel. And for instance, I'm going to click this NASA Bangkok. And from here, it will show us all the details, including our check-in and check-out date. Then below, we can also book the kind of room we want, with its corresponding prices and also the list of inclusion in the room. However, upon booking your hotel room, you'd also need to register or to sign in your account in here. And after that, you can now start paying for the amount. But firstly, you need to fill out all of this required information, including the passenger info, your contact number, email address, and also some of your baggage in here. And if you're not done, just click this pay now button and start paying using your payment method that you prefer. Now that is just one way on how you can also book a flight and also at the same time hotel on this trip.com. However, let's say we're just going to book a flight in here and not hotel. we can just simply go back on our page right here and just uncheck these boxes and click the search button, in which we'll be directed on this page, in which all you need to do is to simply select the kind of ticket for your departure, ticket flight. And now after selecting your departure flight ticket, the next thing that you need to do is to simply select your return flight ticket. From here you can scroll down to browse some other cheapest, but also depending on your preferences on those kind of airlines and also the time frame it takes in order for us to return in our country. And let's say in those options, I'm going to click this one right here. Then proceed by clicking the continue button. And after that, from here you can also see some of the details of your flight, and you can avail some other offers in here that they offer. We have here baggage, and below are some of the corresponding benefits. And after that, from here, all you need to do is to fill out all of this required information, such as to scan your passport in here, and just fill out all of this required information in order to start booking your flight ticket. And some of the details included in here or required to fill out is given names, surnames, gender, your contact information such as your phone number, your email address. Then from here, you could also select a protection or insurance plan in here, but all you need to do is simply pay at least £12.96 per person as a basic plan. Or alternatively, you could also select no protection at all. And aside from that, below here, if you have a promo codes, you could simply enter here by clicking this ad and enter here the promo codes if you want to get a discount in your booking. And as you can see in here, some of the travel benefits it included is 12% off airport transfers, 12% off car rentals, stay discounts of up to 25% only available to the flyers, and also approximately 468 miles per points. And as you can see, we have here a trip coins of 51 trip coins that we will receive after our trip. And now to proceed, just click the continue button. However, you must also fill out all of this required information before doing so. And below it will show you on the left side panel your total amount that you need to pay in order to book this flight. And as you can see, our total in here is £158.40. Now by clicking this continue button, it will show us in here on this pop-up window if you want to have or select a baggage allowance, in which you can save up to 50% by purchasing baggage allowance now. Or you could also click this no thanks button to proceed. Upon clicking on it, we will automatically be directed on this page, in which it will show us in here other details and also seat selection that you prefer. However, to start selecting your preferred seat, the next thing that you need to do is to simply pay for the amount of your booking ticket. By clicking this pay now button below, we will automatically be directed on this page, in which it will show us our payment method that we prefer. We have here PayPal, Google Pay, gift card, and even our credit or debit card. And after selecting any of these payment method, you can now start paying for the amount, and you will now be successfully booking your flight on trip.com. So basically, that is just how you can book a flight on trip.com app. Thank you.